Beauty and makeup, not your typical topic on our Ankerstar Wealth morning show. We're usually talking high tech, what's happening with the Fed, quantum computing, cryptocurrency, all that stuff. But today we're talking about beauty, or at least I'm talking about beauty and makeup with our next ego stock, which was actually a continuation of last year. But as I get started, this is a financial education presentation. You must do your own due diligence on anything you hear in this presentation. More disclaimer information can be found on ankerstarwealth.com, and the opinions expressed are mine and mine alone. So I know every year we come out with 10 ego stocks. However, coming into this year, there's at least two of them that I just couldn't let go because they have not, the thesis is so good and they have not hit the goals that we have set for them. And today, that's what I'm going to cover. So if you were in there from last year, you may have heard of e.l.f. Beauty. And maybe you haven't, or maybe your teen daughter like mine have heard of e.l.f. Beauty. And I've even seen it advertised at Walmart. They get their own like e.l.f. Beauty thing up at the top. So that is good. So when you see e.l.f., and it says E.L.F. What does e.l.f. stand for? Eyes, lip, and face. I had to look it up just to make sure it wasn't something else. But I think it always gets confused with E.L., which is Estee Lauder. So I'm going to kind of talk about the difference real quick. Why are we in e.l.f. and not Estee Lauder? Why are we in makeup and beauty at all? So goals with an ego stock, to double or triple. e.l.f. Beauty is way smaller than Estee Lauder. Estee Lauder is an established brand that's been around forever. It is geared towards luxury, and kind of, I'm just going to say, older people. Not e.l.f. is geared towards, I'm just going to say it, teen girls, young girls. It is geared towards that. Its marketing is on TikTok. So let me show you the graph from last year. Actually, I'll start off. I'll show you the website. So you can see this is the elfcosmetics.com, and you can see, some of the things scrolling around, some of the, different products that they sell. You can see by the price, it is lower price than an Estee Lauder. So it is definitely geared towards people that could afford that. I'm also going to show you one of the key acquisitions they made last year was Rhode by Hailey Bieber. So Rhode, and I have not bought any products from Rhode myself, but anyways, skincare. Hailey Rhode Bieber sold her company to e.l.f. So I want to say it was $1 billion sale. So let's go to the graph and why we are still in this. So this is a 1-year graph. So we purchased this last year, right about this time. I know when we did go into it, it had a quick sell-off. And this was crushed by the tariffs. So a lot of their products comes from overseas. So when you talk about putting tariffs in, especially on lower price stuff, it was down 30, 40%. And then look at that return. Oh, it tripled off the bottom. It didn't triple from our initial holding, but it tripled off the bottom. Should we have sold then? Maybe we should have, but we did not. So we stayed in. It did not double from our original target or our purchase price of around 90. And then here we are a year later, kind of at the same place. You can see that they missed earnings, sold off in a big way, and it's kind of made that slow trek back up. I still believe in this company. It is a smaller company, only a $5 billion company. This is, really smaller than a mid cap. But when I look back at, say, like a 5-year graph, you can see that this company is volatile. It makes some big moves up and down. Steve and I are not fashion experts. I know some of you may think that we are, probably not. But talk about diversification of our ego stocks. This is definitely a retail customer, young generation. And the belief is that as e.l.f. establishes their brand with a younger group of people, 20 years from now, this I'll go out and say this is going to be competing with Estee Lauder for market cap. So that is our next ego stock. It's really a continuation. So if you join our add the ego stocks, you'll get a portion of e.l.f. into your portfolio, but we did not sell that. And there's one other one that is like this as well. So I will be hitting that on a future day. But this was number 5 out of the 10. Stay tuned and we'll see where all this goes. Thanks, everybody. Bye.